What's poppin'? Yeah. Alright fam, so it is 10, what time is it? Tap that. 10:25, we just got our first batch of the day. Yes, late. Alright, so here's the deal today. I only got like about an hour and a half window to work because we have a painter coming over, we got a plumber coming over. I'm gonna try to make a little bit of money and just push it. Hopefully I get lucky today. Who knows, right? So about an hour and a half window to work, then I'm gonna come back, edit this video, drop it for y'all tonight. Then I might go back out. And do some more Instacart or DoorDash and make some more money. Yo, it's kind of crazy right now. But we only got an hour and some change window. So let's go outside and run it up. Team, run it up. You already know what it is. Where's my, I don't know where anything is. Anything, like. Where's your phone? Oh, I'm about to go do a batch without my phone. Hold on. Let's go. First batch of the day, $50, 20. She thinks I'm crazy. First batch of the day is late in the day. It's 10:30 a.m. and we swiped a $50 27 item 4 miles. Great batch, great batch to start the day. Only problem is we started the day late, so that's not so great. But welcome to the life. And the reason why I'm starting the day late, listen, I'm not getting lazy. The new channel, Cat Bar did it, link in the description. I'm gonna be shooting different type of content on that channel. We trying to hit 1 million subscribers on that channel. We might be doing pranks, we might be doing stunts, we might be, you know what I'm saying? I don't know, it's gonna be crazy. Yo, I'm at the red light. I wanna show you guys how easy this order is. This order is actually pretty easy. I'm actually excited about this order. Check this out. Look at this. We got apple, 2 things of produce, a couple things of dairy, like 1 thing of meat, 1 prepared food, some chips, some ice cream, some sodas, 1 water, some tissue. Come on, man. $50 4 miles? Easy. You just jealous. Easy. We bang this out. Yo, we finished this order in less than 30 minutes. And yo, get this. Let me show you something really cool. Look at it. Can y'all see that? Can y'all see that? 5-minute delivery. 5 minutes. This was a good batch. This is one of my favorite batches in a long time. 50s, this quick, this is my favorite. So I'm gonna keep it real with y'all. Like this is not one of them ones I could be at the store, so I'm about to blow it up. But I just swiped the $50 batch. In another one, in another one, in another one, hey, in another one, hey, in another one, hey, in another one, hey. $50. Let's get it. All right, fam, so we just got a $10 2 items 1 mile. We taking the itty bitties because I'm running out of time. So here's a funny situation. I took a quick $13 batch, thinking it was gonna be quick. 5 items, and yeah, it took me to a farm. It took me to this like public farm. And I had to call the customer, and they told me to just wait there. They're gonna pull up on me and grab the groceries. Weird. He said his house is like in the woods, and it's easier for me to just wait here. So yeah, this is a weird one. And there he goes. He doesn't even have a license plate. He came out of the woods. This man came out of the woods, and it looks to be like a 1960 truck. That was awkward.
I got tired of walking around with a mask on.